Hi folks, I'm Allison Sinadinos with Emergency Management and Continuity, and because obviously in Indiana it has finally become winter, we wanted to talk to you all a little bit about how to winterize your vehicle. So I have some items in my car and I'm just going to walk you through those. The first item that I want to talk to you all about is de-icer. Items like windshield de-icer is a really good option, as well as a smaller lock de-icer. This one you can keep on your person in your bag, because if you were to get locked out of your car because there is ice on your lock, you want to have this ahead of time. A good option to have in your car as well is a blanket, something to keep you warm just in case you were to get stranded in your vehicle, as well as different pairs of gloves. These ones are more of a working style glove, which is good if your tire were to need replacement in the middle of the highway and it's cold out. You still want to keep your hands covered. Obviously we need some jumper cables just in case, a little blinking light. We've got a couple of extra coats in here just to stay warm, just in case you were to get stranded. You know, on those days where we think it's going to be a little warm because that Indiana weather tricks us and then all of a sudden it gets cold again, you might not have that jacket, so keep one in the car. Obviously our scraper, this one is a little out of the box, but I've got a bag of kitty litter in here. One that weighs down the back of the vehicle, as well as if you were to get stuck in some ice, you can put it underneath your tire and you can get some traction. So kitty litter, salt, sand works too. And then lastly is this toolkit that I have. So a couple of the tools that I've already gone over were in this bag. The blanket, the gloves, the jumper cables, as well as it has a emergency cone, a small first aid kit is in here, a flashlight and some batteries. And the last one is a collapsible shovel. It's in 3 pieces, really easy to put together and to take apart and to put back into this bag. The bag is really, really helpful. Everything is just all together in that. You can find a bag like that at stores online. Amazon's really great, or you can create your own. So I would suggest these things to make sure that your vehicle is winterized. Thank you.